Yeah, hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to today's session of SSC CGL CHSL series, right? So, ఈ రోజు కొన్ని examples discuss చేద్దాం which are very important for the upcoming exams of CGL కానివ్వండి, CHSL కానివ్వండి, లేదంటే రైల్వేస్ అన్నా కానివ్వండి, right? So, without wasting any time, let's start today's session. I hope I am audible. Okay, so let's go for example number 1 of today's session, right? Everything is fine with respect to audio, video and quality, right? So let's start today's session. So let's go for question number 1 of the day. Find the odd man out, find the different one from the others. Okay, so first question is purely based on classification, right? Four numbers are given, out of which 3 of them are alike. అంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇందాక నేను చెప్పినట్టు క్లాసిఫికేషన్ నుంచి వస్తుంది. సో క్లాసిఫికేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి? we need to find the odd man out. సో మనకు బేసికలీ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ లో 3 ఏమో ఒక ప్యాటర్న్ ఫాలో అవుతాయి, ఫోర్త్ది ఆ ప్యాటర్న్ ఫాలో అవ్వదు, అదేంటో మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ చూసుకున్నట్టయితే kindly give me answer in the chat box. Okay, so see, so 215, 196, 169 and 144. సో మనకి ఈ మూడు తెలుసు. 196 అంటే 14 స్క్వేర్, 169 అంటే 13 square, 144 అంటే 12 square, but 215 is not a perfect square. So మిగతా మూడు perfect square, right? Janaki, Sivaprasad, both of you very good. So 215 is not a perfect square. So that's why you can pick option number A as your answer. Right? Nice, very good both of you, very good. Alane. Next question కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. So look at this particular question purely based on word analogy. Word analogy. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందో ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. Right, so quickly give me answer in the chat box. So here I have given you timer also so that it will be easy. Right top low timer undi, just check and tell me what does your answer say. Right, ఇప్పటిదాకా అయితే నాకైతే ఏమీ ఆన్సర్ రాలేదు. సరే చెక్ చేద్దాం. Right, so penology is analogous to what? Analogy అంటే simultaneous relationship. Seismology is related to earthquake. See, seismology అంటే study of earthquakes. Study of earthquakes is called seismology. అండ్ ఇక్కడ స్పెసిఫిక్ గా చూసేటట్టయితే పెనాలజీ, ఇక్కడ పెనాల్టీ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది. సో పెనాల్టీ ఎవరికి వేస్తారు? బేసికలీ ఎవరైతే క్రైమ్ చేస్తారు, రైట్? అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ద స్టడీ ఆఫ్ పనిష్మెంట్స్ అండ్ క్రైమ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు పీనాలజీ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. స్టడీ ఆఫ్ లా అంటే యూ కెన్ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ జ్యూరిస్ట్రిక్షన్. Similarly, liver ante you can call it as study of hepatology is called livers. Medicine ante manaku already telusu pharmacology అని చెప్పేసి, రైట్? బట్ ఇక్కడ పెనాలజీ, పెనల్టీ కోడ్, IPC అని ఉంటుంది, ఇండియన్ పెనల్టీ కోడ్ అని చెప్పేసి, విచ్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద పనిష్మెంట్స్. అబ్సల్యూట్లీ ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ సి. శివప్రసాద్, నైస్, వెరీ గుడ్. అలానే నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. సో క్విక్లీ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ క్వశ్చన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ప్యూర్లీ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ కోడింగ్ అండ్ డీకోడింగ్. స్పెసిఫికలీ చూస్తే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ నంబర్ కోడింగ్ మీద ఉంటుంది అండ్ యువర్ టైమ్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఆల్రెడీ. నంబర్ కోడింగ్ మీద బేస్ అయిన క్వశ్చన్. సో yogurt is coded as so and so number. అలానే quickly is coded as what? YOGHURT is coded as 7678392. అలానే quickly is coded as what? ఎప్పుడైనా వర్డ్ నంబర్ తో కోడ్ చేశానే అనుకోండి, జస్ట్ చెక్ ఫర్ ద కామన్ లెటర్స్. కామన్ లెటర్స్ ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ లో యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ లో కామన్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. సో QUICKLY ఇక్కడ ఏం కనబట్ల, YOGHURT, నో ఛాన్స్. కాబట్టి ఏం చేద్దాము, ఇప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా పొజిషన్స్ తీసుకోవాల్సిందే. సో ప్రతి లెటర్ యొక్క పొజిషన్ తెలుసుకోవడానికి మన దగ్గర 2 కీవర్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఏంటా కీవర్డ్? ఒకటి వచ్చేసి ఎజార్టీ, మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 5, 10, 15, 20 అండ్ 25. ఓకే, సో Y పొజిషన్ 25, 2 + 5 7 అని చెప్పేసేయచ్చు. అలానే ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ చెక్ చేద్దాం. లాజిక్ క్లియర్ అయిపోతే దీనికి ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసేసి ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ చెక్ చేసేయచ్చు. రైట్, శివప్రసాద్ ఈ సేయింగ్ ఆప్షన్ నెంబర్ బి, చెక్ చేద్దాం. రైట్, సిమిలర్లీ T పొజిషన్ 20, 2 + 0 ఏమైపోతుంది 2. రైట్, అలానే ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ చెక్ చేద్దాం. సో Y పొజిషన్ 25, సో Y కామన్ ఉంది కదా ఈ రెండిట్లో. Y పొజిషన్ 25 కాబట్టి 2 + 5 ఎంత అవుతుంది 7. అంటే మన ఆన్సర్ ఎలా అవ్వాలి, 7 తో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి. బట్ ఇక్కడ చూసేటట్టయితే అన్ని ఆన్సర్స్ 7 తో ఎండ్ అవుతున్నాయి. రైట్, సో ఫస్ట్ చెక్ చేద్దాం Q పొజిషన్. సో Q పొజిషన్ ఏమవుతుంది, OPQ, O15, P16, Q17. 1 + 7 ఎంత అవుతుందండి 8. అంటే మన ఆన్సర్ 8 తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి 7 తో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి. సో యూ కెన్ ఎలిమినేట్ ఆప్షన్ నెంబర్ బి. అలానే లాస్ట్ బట్ 2 ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 3 3 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది, 2 ఉంది. రైట్, సో ఏదో ఒకటి ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోతుంది. సో L పొజిషన్ ఎంత అవుతుంది 12. సో 12, 2 + 1 ఎంత అవుతుంది 3. అంటే మన ఆన్సర్ దేంతో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి 3 7 తో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి. కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ సే ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ A ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ B. రైట్, సో Q పొజిషన్ 17 కాబట్టి 1 + 7 8. అలానే ఫర్దర్ గా ఒకవేళ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకునేటట్టయితే U పొజిషన్ 21, 2 + 1 3. I పొజిషన్ 9, సేమ్ యాజ్ టీస్. C పొజిషన్ 3, యూనిట్ డిజిట్ కాబట్టి యాజ్ టీస్, దీంట్లో ఎటువంటి మార్పు లేదు ఎందుకంటే దీనికి యాడ్ చేయడానికి ఏమీ లేదు కాబట్టి. అలానే K పొజిషన్ 11, 1 + 1 ఏమవుతుంది 2. సో మన ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుంది 839323 దాట్స్ వాట్ ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ A. రైట్, నైస్, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. Now look at this particular question purely based on missing number అయిన బేస్ అయిన క్వశ్చన్. ఒకసారి చూడండి దీనికి ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం. మిస్సింగ్ నంబర్. సో ఇక్కడ నాకు 3/3 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కనిపిస్తుంది కన్సిస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ 3 rows and 3 columns. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆఫ్ టుడే సెషన్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, బేసికలీ నాకు కాలమ్ 1 లో ఉన్న నంబర్స్ కొంచెం పెద్దగా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి వెన్ కంపేర్డ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు కాలమ్ 2 అండ్ కాలమ్ 3. రైట్, అంటే ఇది రిజల్ట్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. కాకపోతే ప్రతిసారి రిజల్టే ఉండాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు, చెక్ చేద్దాం. సో 64 14 రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది, 64 14 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది 78. బట్ ఇక్కడ 78 లేదు, 106 ఉంది. సరే వేరే ఆపరేషన్స్ ఏమైనా చేద్దామా అంటే 14 ని 64 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే అదొక 3 డిజిట్ నెంబర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. బట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ 14 × 64 అంటే 3 డిజిట్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. బట్ కాకపోతే దాట్ ఈస్ మోర్ దాన్ 106, ఛాన్స్ లేదు. రైట్, సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో లాజిక్ ఏంటి అంటే డైరెక్ట్లీ నేను చెప్పేస్తాను. 106 లోంచి 64 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత అండి, 106 లోంచి 64. సో 6 - 4 2, 10 - 6 4, 42. సో 42 నాకు 14 నుంచి వస్తుంది. ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే 14 ని 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 42 వచ్చేస్తుంది. రైట్, అంటే వీళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్యలో డిఫరెన్స్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. చెక్ చేద్దాం సెకండ్ కూడా వస్తుందో రావట్లేదో. సెకండ్ రో బేస్ చేసుకొని 98 62, 98 62. వీళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్యలో డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత, 8 - 2 6, 9 - 6 3. సో వీళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్యలో డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వస్తుంది 36. సో ఐ కెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ సే దట్ 12 3s are 36. సింపుల్. అలానే 84 45 ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి. 84 45 మధ్యలో డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత, 14 - 5 9, 7 - 4 3. సో 39 వస్తుంది. సో 39 3 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే, ఈ నంబర్ రావాలంటే డివైడ్ చేయాలి, లేదంటే 30 ని 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి 39 వచ్చేసింది. సో అందుకోసం యూ కెన్ పుట్ ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ డి, 13 will be your answer. Okay, so this is one of the very interesting logic. Difference between first column and second column is equals to 3 times the number present in the third column అని చెప్పొచ్చు. As simple as that. Right, yes, very good, very good. Janaki and Shivaprasad, nice, very good. అలానే look at this question. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్పండి క్విక్లీ. So this is one of the very easy question. So 5, 29, 8, 62, 3, 7 and 6, 34. Okay. ఆన్సర్ ఇంకా రాలేదు, చెక్ చేద్దాం. సో 5 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 25. 25 కి 4 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 29. అలానే 8 స్క్వేర్ 64. 64 లోంచి 2 తీసేస్తే 62. అంటే సేమ్ ఆడ్ మెన్ ఒకటి ఇక్కడ కూడా. అలానే 3 స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? 9 లోంచి 2 తీసేస్తే ఎంత? 7. సిమిలర్లీ 6 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 36. 36 లోంచి 2 తీసేస్తే 36 లోంచి 2 తీసేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది? 34. సో ఈ నంబర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో సేమ్ గా వస్తున్నాయి. 62, 7, 34. అంటే ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ లోంచి 2 తీసేశారు. బట్ ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ ఏ లో స్క్వేర్ కి 4 యాడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో దాట్స్ వై యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఆప్షన్ నంబర్ ఏ యాజ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ క్వశ్చన్. యాజ్ సింపుల్ యాజ్ దాట్. ఓకే. సో మేక్ షూర్ దట్ స్క్వేర్స్ క్యూబ్స్ మనకి కన్ఫర్మ్ గా తెలియాలి. రిమెంబర్ దిస్. నో డౌట్ ఇది మ్యాథ్సే, బట్ ఎస్పెషలీ మిస్సింగ్ నంబర్స్ లో యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఎనాలజీ బేస్డ్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో ఇవి మాత్రం బాగా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. సో స్క్వేర్స్ మాత్రం 50 వరకు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, క్యూబ్స్ మాత్రం 30 వరకు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, విచ్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఎస్పెషలీ ఇన్ నంబర్ సిరీస్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ మిస్సింగ్ నంబర్స్. నా అలానే లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్పండి. వెరీ ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్, very very easy question. 1, 3, 7, 15, 31, 63. Right? Yes, option number A, previous question. Right, very good. 1, 3, 5, 7, 15, 31, 63. So ఇవి continuously increasing, rapidly increasing కాదు, continuous increasing series అని చెప్పొచ్చు. ఓకే. సో 1 నుంచి 3 తీసుకురావడం పెద్ద ఇబ్బంది ఏం కాదు. 1 into 3, 3. 3 నుంచి 7. సో 3 3s are 9, 7 నో ఛాన్స్. రైట్. సరే, లేదంటే వేరే రకంగా తీసుకొద్దాం. సో 1 into 2 is 2. 2కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 3. అంటే into 2 plus 1 చేస్తున్నాను. అలానే 3 into 2 ఎంత అవుతుంది? 6. సో 6కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 7. ఆల్ రైట్. అలానే 7 into 2 ఎంత అవుతుందండి? 14. 14కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 15. దెన్ 15 into 2 30. 30కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే 31. సిమిలర్లీ 31 into 2 62. 62కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే 63. అదే ఫార్మాట్ లో నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్ కి ఇంటూ 2 plus 1 చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందో క్విక్లీ చెప్పండి. సో 63 into 2. సో 63 2s are, ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ ఆన్సర్ ఫ్రమ్ జానకి 127 అంట. చెక్ చేద్దాం. సో 63 into 2. సో 2 3s 6. సో 2 6 are 12. సో 126 plus 1 ఎంత వస్తుందండి? 127. Absolutely option number B will be our answer. Very good, Janaki. Right? Yes, nice. Very good. Very good. Now, I hope this question is clear. Alane. Next question purely based on same number series. Right? ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుందో ఒకసారి చూసి చెప్పండి నాకు. 6, 9, 45, 135. సో ఈ పర్టికులర్ సిరీస్ కూడా మనం ఇంక్రీజింగ్ సిరీస్ అని చెప్పచ్చు. ఇంక్రీజింగ్ సిరీస్. Increasing series. Check once and quickly tell me what does your answer say. No answer so far? Okay. See, 6, 9, 18, 45, 135, then question mark. See, 9 2s are 18 అని చెప్పొచ్చు just by looking at the numbers which are present in the middle. Right? Then 6 నుంచి 9 తీసుకురావడం పెద్ద ఇబ్బంది ఏం కాదు. 6ని 1.5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. అంటే 6 into 1.5. సో 1.5 అంటే 15/10. 15/10 అంటే you can call it as 3/2. Right? So 2 3s. So 3 3s. 9. So 6 into 1.5 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. 18 into 2.5 మనం 45 అని చెప్పేసేయచ్చు. సింపుల్. ఎలా? సో 18 into 2 36 అండ్ 18 లో హాఫ్ ఎంత? 9. సో 36 plus 9 45. సింపుల్. అలానే 45 ని 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 135 వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో 43 is 120, 5 3 is 15. సో 120 ప్లస్ 15 135 బానే ఉంది. అలానే 135 ని 3.5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసుకుందాం. సో 135 ఇంటూ 3.5. సో ఫస్ట్ 135 ఇంటూ 3 చేద్దాం. సో 3 5 is 15, 13 3 is 39 plus 1 40 అయిపోతుంది. సో 405. అమ్మో లైవ్ ఇది లైవ్. దెన్ 135 ఇంటూ హాఫ్, ఎందుకంటే 3.5 కదా. సో 135 ఇంటూ హాఫ్. సో 2 6 12, దెన్ 15 అంటే 7, 14, 2 7s 14.5. సో 405 plus 67.5. సో 5 12 7 472.5 అయిపోతుంది. సో that's why you can say option number A. Very good, Shivaprasad. Absolutely option number A. Nice, very good. అలానే నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. సో లుక్ ఎట్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్. సో లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, ప్యూర్లీ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ సిలాక్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్. నాకు తీసుకెళ్ళండి. Some boxes are dolls. Then all dolls are pen. All dolls are pen. This is what the statements are. So 2 statements followed by 4 different conclusions. So look at first conclusion. So first conclusion ఏమంటుంది? Some boxes are pens. Absolutely. ఈ part చూసుకోండి. What does this part say? Some boxes are pens. Absolutely. So first conclusion true అయిపోతుంది, అందులో ఎటువంటి మార్పు లేదు. అలానే look at conclusion number 2. What does conclusion number 2 say? Some pens are boxes. See, some boxes are pens అన్నా some pens are boxes అన్నా సేమ్, అందులో ఎటువంటి మార్పు లేదు. కాబట్టి సెకండ్ కన్క్లూజన్ కూడా ట్రూ అయిపోతుంది. So Sona is saying ABC follows. Absolutely. Let's see Sona. Now look at third. What does third say? Some pens are dolls. See, all dolls are pen. All dolls are pen. That means some dolls are pen. Some dolls are pen, some pens are dolls. Both are same. So that's why you can say conclusion number 3 follows. No problem in that. Now look at fourth conclusion. What does fourth conclusion say? All pens are dolls. Janaki, don't get confused. All pens are dolls. Ikkada, what is the relation between dolls and pens? All dolls are pens. But if you look at the conclusion, what he has given, all pens are dolls. See, all dolls are pens is different and all pens are dolls is different. So that's why you can say conclusion number 4 does not follow. So ultimately our answer for this particular question is only 1, 2 and 3 follows. Here I did not give you the options. No problem in that. Okay, but our final answer will be only 1 2 3 follows. Simple, right? Nice, very good, very good. Now look at this particular question. Let's see what does your answer say for this question. So just look at that particular question. లైవ్ కదా అందుకోసం. నాకు ఏముంది Okay, I did not get any answer so far. All plants are flowers. Time is up, but I did not get answer. Sona is saying none follows. Let's see. All plants are flowers. Then look at second one. What does second one say? No flower is blue. No flower is. See, between flower and blue, no relation. That means in between plant and blue, also no relation. Simple. Okay. So see first one, some plants are blue. So the relation between plants and blue is no, but not some. That's why you can say conclusion number one does not follow. Simple. Similarly, look at 2. What does 2 say? Those plants that are not flowers. See, all plants are flowers, na? Then which part of flowers are not plants? Can we say? No, we cannot say. So that's why you can say conclusion number 2 will be false. Right? So what is our answer for this particular question? So very good, Sona and Shiva Prasad, none follows. Or you can say both 1 and 2 does not follow. Or you can say neither 1 nor 2 follows. Doesn't matter, whatever it is. Right? Nice. Very good. Very good. Now look at this particular question. Just to see question purely based on figure counting. See and tell me what does your answer say. Figure counting based question. Figure counting. Quickly. Check and tell me. What does your answer say? So find the number of squares. So here he is interested in the squares, not in the triangles. Right? Okay. Right? So 20 seconds are over. No answer so far. Chalo, let's see. So see, this is one square, you can say. So Prasad is saying 7. Let's see. So this is 1 plus. See, we know that whenever you can find this shape, there will be 5. Right? So see, here you can find that shape. Right? Yeah. So there you can find 5. So 1 plus 5, which is equals to 6. And the big square you can find here. So this is one more square. So 5 plus 1, which is, sorry, 6 plus 1, which is equals to what? 7. So total there are how many? 7. Absolutely. Very good. Shivaprasad and Janaki, both of you. Right? Then, similarly, go for next question. Arranging of the words in a logical and meaningful order. Right? So quickly check and tell me what does your answer say. So alarm set, office, car, wake up, alarm ring, and get ready. Okay, so arranging of these in a meaningful order. See, we will be going to office. No answer so far. Okay, so we will be going to office at the end of the day. Right? I mean at the end. Okay, so before that, what we will be doing first, we will be setting the alarm. So one will be first. So Janaki is saying D, Shivaprasad is saying A. So confusion between A and D. Let's see. So one alarm first will be setting. And after setting of the alarm in the night, the next day alarm rings. Next day morning. So 5 will be next. So my answer should start with 1 5. So that means you can eliminate B and C. Right? Sona is saying D. Let's see. So confusion between A and D. Let's see. Right? See, after getting off alarm, only you will be getting waking up. So 154. You can find common 154, 154. 3 6 or 6 3, let's see. Right? So after waking up, if you look at option A, he has given 3. So what do you mean by 3? Car. So directly after waking up, you won't be taking car and going to office, na? First you need to get ready before reaching to office by a car. So after waking up, what you will be doing? You will be getting ready. So that's why you can say option number 6. So after ready, then you will be going to office via car. 3 and 2, sorry, uh, 3 and 2 will be followed later on. 6 3 2. So the last 3 will be 6 3 2 instead of 3 6 2. So that's why you can say option number D is your answer. No problem, you can do the mistakes, no issue in that. Okay, so you can learn from your mistakes, whatever we are doing. Right? Don't worry in that. Now look at this easiest question. Let's see what does your answer say. So 25 is to 15625. 30 is to what? 25 is to 15625 is analogous to 30 is to what? Right? Yeah, no answer so far. So here the question is purely based on cubes of a number, right? So 25 cube is 15625. As I have already said to you, you need to remember the cubes such that the numbers which are nearer to that will be very easy to identify, such that logic will be clear from our perspective. Right? Similarly, 30 cube is, you can call it as 27,000. So that's why you can say option number B will be your answer. Right? Yes. Similarly, look at this particular question. Let's see what does your answer say. So this question is purely based on word analogy, especially based on capitals of a particular country. Right? Absolutely. B was our answer for the previous question. Absolutely. So I have given you the hint already. Capitals of a particular state, or sorry, country. Yes. We know that Cairo is the capital of Egypt. Simple. Shivrasad is saying cat. D, absolutely. We know that France is the Paris is the capital of France. Similarly, Ottawa is the capital of Canada. And these three are what? Capitals of a particular country. But Kyath is what? It is a currency. Right? So it is the currency of which state? Myanmar, Burma. And what is the capital of Burma means? You can say Naypyidaw. Right? So these three are capitals, and option number D is the currency of that particular state. Right? Yes. Okay. Now look at this question. Let's see what does your answer say. Purely based on number analogy again. See, based on number analogy, minimum to minimum, you can expect 2 to 5 questions. Minimum to maximum, 2 to 5 questions. Right? Question purely based on number analogy. This is easy one only, not that much. What do you say? Difficult, but this is very easy. So 13 is to 844.5 is analogous to 20 is to what? Right? So timer is up, but I didn't get any answer so far. Okay, fine. Chalo, let me give you the answer. See, 13 square is how much? 169. So if you half this 169, 84.5, you can simply say. Similarly, 20 square is 400, and if you have 400, it is equals to how much? 200. Absolutely, you can go with option number D. No problem in that. So square of a particular number and divide it by 2. No issue in that. Right? Nice. Very good. Very good. Now look at this particular question purely based on logical Venn diagrams. Let's see what does your answer say. Logical Venn diagrams. Relationship between different keywords. Right? Absolutely. 200 is our answer for the previous question. Right? Yes. Which of the following diagrams indicate the best relation between fishes, snakes, and birds? So go with respect to the options and choose the best one out of these four based on the three keywords which has been given, right? Yeah, quickly check and tell me what does your answer say. Okay, no answer so far. See, snakes and fishes, these both are different. That means I need a particular set in which two different circles should be there without a common connection present in between them, right? A, you can see it is overlapped. B also you can see it is overlapped. D is also overlapped. That means simply you can go with option number C, right? Very good. Shiv Prasad, Janaki, Sona. Sona, it cannot be A. Why? Because see, any of the two you cannot, right? You cannot take fishes and snakes and take birds as outside. Why? Because all the three are different parameters, different keywords. So you cannot mix any two of these three, right? You cannot bring snakes and birds together. Why? Because all are different parameters. So that's why the best suitable relation with respect to this particular question is option number C, right? I hope it is clear. Similarly, let's go for the next one. So look at this particular question, purely based on dice. Three positions of a same dice are given. Which number is on the face opposite the face showing 4? Snake are alive in water. Of course, but there in the previous question, water is not given, na? It is given with respect to birds. Are some snakes are birds? No. Are some snakes are what is it, fishes? No. Snakes are different, fishes are different. Okay. If he has given us water, then we could have added. Why? Because some snakes live in water also. But here he has not given water. He has given fish. Sorry. Yeah, fish instead of water. So you cannot add any three of these two. That's why. Right? Yes. Okay. Then see this question. What does this say? Opposite to 4. Any answer? Opposite to 4. Opposite to 4. So let's say this is view 1. Let's say this is view 2. Let's say this is view 3. So now I'm saying option D. Okay. Any other answer? Shiv Prasad and Janaki. Right. See, if I compare view 2 and view 3, compare view 2 and view 3, you can find one surface is common. What is that surface? 1. 1 is the surface which is common. Start with the common surface. Apply rule number 1. If one surface is common, start from the common surface and turn in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So I am turning in clockwise direction. So 1, 4, 6. From the third view, start from the same common surface. So what is the common surface? 1. So in view 2, I have gone in clockwise. That means in view 3 also I have to go in clockwise. So 1, 5, 2. 1, 5 and 2. So 4 opposite will be 5, not 6. Right? So Roshni, obviously option number B. See, 4 opposite 6 you cannot say. Why? Because 4 and 6 are adjacent. And we know that adjacent surfaces can never be opposite. 4 and 6 are adjacent. That means 4 and 6 are not opposite to each other. So remember one thing, adjacent surfaces can never be opposite to each other. As simple as that. Right? Yes. Okay, chalo. Next one. So I have brought one more question based on missing numbers. Let's see. What does your answer say? So this is one of the very interesting question of today's session, you can say. One of the other interesting question. So let's see. 20 seconds are not sufficient. So I will be giving you 40 more seconds. So you just can tell me what does your answer. Yes, absolutely. Last 20 seconds, check once. In this question, two logics are there. But if you look at the options, only one is satisfying according to the parameters which is being specified. I mean, the logic which is being specified. Okay, chalo. No answer so far. Let's see. See, I can say that row number 3 numbers are bigger when compared with respect to row 1 and row 2. So let's say row 3 is the result, right? See, 12 nines are 108. Simple. If you half 108, you will be getting 54, right? Most of the people will be trying based on this. See, strategy is important. Why? Because for number series, there is no shortcut. Similarly, for missing numbers as well as number analogy, whatever it is. Similarly, 10 into 11. 10 into 11 is 110. If you half 110, you will be getting 55. But here he has given 11 instead of 55. No chance. That means either only two options. Either logic is different, or the corresponding pattern may be different. Options may be wrong, right? But as you can see, options may not be wrong from this particular question. So I am going to give you the other logic based on this question, right? So what is that logic means? So I can say that 12 threes are 36 and 9 twos are 18. So 36 plus 18, which is equals to how much? 54. Simple. Similarly, 10 threes are 30, 11 twos are 22. So 30 plus 22, what is the result? 52 is the result. Similarly, 14 threes are 42, 10 twos are 20. So 42 plus 20, which is equivalent to how much? 62. That's why you can say option number D will be the answer, not option number B. It will be option number D, right? Into 3, into 2, into 3, into 2, into 3, into 2. Simple, right? So that's why how many logics you know, in that particular manner, you can deal with respect to those kinds of questions. That is very important. Remember that, right? Now look at this number set. Let's see what does your answer say. Number set. This is one of the easiest question you can say. Number set. 5, 8 and 39 is analogous to which number set out of the given four options? Five, 8 and 39. Sir, how do we guess the factors? See, it depends upon the number, right? See, if you can see that the resultant, the sum of the resultant of those particular numbers is the same, then you can go for it. Otherwise, you need to do these kinds of logics like multiplication or addition or subtraction. Initially, in the earlier example, we have done difference. Similarly, in this example, we have taken multiplication and then sum, right? Like that. So how many it is depending upon the number of logics which we know, such that you can use those for that particular logic at that particular point of time, especially for that kind of question, right? So Shiva Prasad is saying option number D for this answer. Chalo, let's see. So the answer for this particular question, what is the logic means? So I can say that 5 square is 25, 8 square is 64. So if I remove 64, sorry, 25 from 64, or if you take the difference, so 14 minus 5, 9, 5 minus 2, 3, 39. Simple. If I go with respect to option number D directly, 9 square is 81, 12 square is 144. So the result is 4 minus 1, 3, 18, sorry, 14 minus 8, it is 6. So 63. Absolutely, option number D will be your answer. Right? Yes. Nice. Very good. Difference between the numbers is equals to the resultant of the third number. That is what the logic. Now look at this question. So this is also one of the interesting question you can say of today's session. So from Monday onwards, class will be regular. 5 plus 8, 13, 13 into 3, 39. Yeah, that is also variable logic. See, as you can see, numbers, different numbers and different logics. but ultimately answer will be same, right? So from Monday onwards, our class will be regular at 12 p.m. daily. So kindly join and test your knowledge with me, right? So 223 is to 131 is analogous to what is to what? See, I said previously, you are supposed to remember squares and cubes, right? So for this particular question, you can use cubes. Like for example, 223, I can write it as 216 plus 7, isn't it? Similarly, 131, I can write it as 125 plus 6. So if I go for the exact pattern, so 216 you can call it as 6 cube plus 7. Similarly, 125 you can call it as a 5 cube plus 6. So 6 cube plus 6 next number is 7. Similarly, 5 cube 5 next number is 6. Right? If I apply the same pattern here, you can say 2 cube is 8 and the next number is 3. 8 plus 3 11. Okay, you can find in option number D. Okay. Similarly, 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. So 31. So here you can find 31. But here 12. No chance. Okay, let's see any other logic. So 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. So 64 plus 5. You can call it as 69. And this is satisfying 69 and 31. That means you can go with option number C. Right? So 4 cube is 64. 64 plus 5 is 69. Similarly, 3 cube is 27. 27 plus 4 is 31. As simple as that. Right? Yes. Okay. Now, look at this particular question. So this question is also interesting question based on number analogy. Interesting question. So total I have brought 5 sets of questions which are purely based on number series and which are very interesting also. So 52 is to 221 is analogous to 20 is to what? Is analogous to 64 is to what? That means these both are related in what way? Such that 20 is to the other number which is left is related to the same, right? So 64 and 272. Just check this. How can you get this particular number from that? Right? Yes. See, generally we can go for usage of multiplication also. Right? For example, so 52 2s are 104, you can say. Like 102, if you double, you will be getting 208. Like for example, see, 52 into 2 is 104. 104 into 2, 208, you can say. Nothing but 52 into 4, specifically talking. 52 into 4, you will be getting 208. 4 2s 8, 4 5s 20. Right? For 208, if you add 13, you will be getting 221. Yes or no? Yes. So 13 randomly or by using any other template means you can say if I divide 52 by 4, you will be getting 13. 4 ones and 4 threes. Provided 208 plus 13, which is equals to how much? 221. Right? Let's cross check with the last one also. Why? Because we need to confirm. Why? Because as numbers are there, there are different logics. We need to confirm whether the same is applicable for the third set or not. So if I apply 64 into 4, 4 fours 16, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. Similarly, 64 divided by 4. So 64 divided by 4 is how much? 16. So 256 plus 16 is what? 272 into 4 by 4 into 4 by 4. As simple as that. Now if I go for the middle number, which is nothing but 20. So 20 into 4, which is equals to 80. Then 20 divided by 4, which is equals to 5. So 80 plus 5, which is equal to how much? 85. Absolutely, you can go with option number D. As simple as that. Right? Yes. Nice. Very interesting question. Now look at this particular question. Let's see what does your answer say. Select the option in which figure given is embedded. So embedded figure. Embedded figure. Means this figure is included in some of the other main figure which is being given in the question. So quickly give me response in the chat box. I am not getting any answers. What about Shiva Prasad, Roshni, Sona? Give me the answers, Janaki. The diagrams may be small, but make sure that that particular kind of figure you can find where. Roshni is saying A. Let's see. See, D, no chance. Why? Because you cannot find. If you can take this, but there is no vertical line, no chance. Here, this figure, no chance at all in option number C. Similarly, in B also, you cannot find any chance. Why? Because this is there, but vertical line is not there. Now, if I go with respect to option number A, just to see. Here, the bigger figure is given, but here you can find the smaller figure. Doesn't matter. Right? Absolutely. Option number A. Right? Very good. All the three of you. Right. Now look at this question. Let's see what does your answer say. So quickly check this question and tell me what does the answer say. So this question is also very easy. Check and tell me what does your answer say. Right? Yes. So this is tilted 45 degrees. Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. Nice. Very good. Then how about this? This is tilted like this. Then it should tilt like this. Right? So if this particular figure should tilt like this, it comes at the bottom. Absolutely. Option number A. Nice. Very good. Very good. Now, look at this question. This is one of the easiest question you can say. Easy question. Easy question. Why? Because you can find column 3 numbers which are bigger. Sorry, row 3 numbers which are bigger when compared with row 2 and row 1. That means some logic has been utilized here. Right? 4, 6, 8, 6, 9, 11, 20, 45. So 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 4, 20. 6 9s are 54. 54 minus 4, 50. No chance. Similarly, 8 11s are no chance. Go for squares. Let's see. We know that 4 square is 16. 6 square is 36. So the difference between 16 and 36 is 20. Similar way, 6 square is 36. 9 square is 81. 81 and 36. The difference is 55. 5, 7 minus 3, 5. 45, not 55, 45. Similarly, 8 square. 8 square is 64. 11 square. 11 square is 121. So 121 and 64. Just see. 11 minus 4. 7. Similarly, 11 minus 6. 5. 57 will be our answer. Option number D. So difference between the numbers square, whatever it has been present, is based on this particular question. Right? Absolutely. Nice. Very good. Very good. Now let's go for the last question of today's session. Go for this question. And just count the number of triangles and tell me. So for this question, I'll be giving you 1 minute. Let's see how many of you will tell me the correct answer for this particular question. Right? Chalo, quickly check and tell me. Right, 57 is the answer for the previous question. Yes, absolutely. So count the number of triangles for this particular question. Right, last 20 seconds. No answer so far. 10, Okay, Indra is saying B 16, right? Okay, chalo. Right. See, we know that whenever you can find this shape, there will be three triangles. Simple. So try to split the diagram based on the shortcuts which we know. Simple. Right? So here you can find 3. Here you can find 3. So 3 plus 3, how much? 6. So I think 6 are okay. Right? Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Janaki is saying D, Sona is saying C. Let's see. Shivaprasad is also saying 14. Right? Let's see. Okay. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, check once. This triangle we have not added. 13, then horizontally 14. Let me change the color. Similarly, 15, then 16. Right? Yes. Then look at this. 17 and 18. The two bigger triangles which are present in the middle. 17 and 18. So total, how many triangles you can find? Means simply you can say there are 18 triangles from this particular figure. Right? So Roshni has said 18. Very good. Sona, 18. Very good. Right? So that was the last question of today's session. Very good, all of you. You can download this PDF from this particular Telegram group, Career Care VSP. If you are not there, kindly search in Telegram group, Career Care VSP, where you can get this PDF download. And from Monday onwards, I'll be coming live at 12 p.m., especially with respect to SSC CGL CHSL exams. So test your knowledge with me in reasoning. Thank you. Thank you for watching this particular video. And again, we will meet on Monday. Right? Thank you. Thank you, everyone.